Okay, let's fix this.
Yeah.
Fix the chair. Ready? You gonna use the drill? Alright. Let's see here. One of these guys. Which one do you think we should use? That's a good choice. Good choice. Alright. But it's just a little too small. So we pick the next size up. Alright. Okay. So this thing here is broken. This controller. So we're going to fix it, right? You going to help me drill?
Yeah.
You ready? Ready? You going to pull the trigger?
Yeah.
Okay, pull the trigger. Pull. Again, pull the trigger. Pull, pull, pull. Pull the trigger, buddy. Go. That's it, good. Okay. All right.
Good.
Now we're going to put the screw in. All right, what kind of a screw is that? Is that a Star? Phillips. Phillips. Oh no, we put the this bit in there. Okay, put this here. You ready? You gonna drill?
Yeah.
Okay, drill. Whoa! Whoa, too much. Okay. There. Uh-oh. Whoops. Too much. Put the drill in. There we go. You want to try this now?
Yeah.